Okay students, in this video we can learn about the TS Intermediate Second Year Physics question bank. So this video will be contain the 4 marks question and 8 marks question. So in it one, the first chapter is waves. So the first long question is explain the formation of stationary waves in stitched strings and hence deduce the laws of transversive waves in stitched strings. And the second question is explain the formation of stationary waves in an air column enclosed in open pipe. Derive the equation for the frequencies of the harmonics produced. And the third question is how are stationary waves formed in closed pipe? Explain the various modes of the vibration and obtain relation for their frequencies. So in this wave chapter we will ask the 2 8 marks question in the IP examination 2021. And the second chapter is the ray optics and optical instruments. So it will be have 5 4 marks question. So in examination point of view 4 2 marks questions will be asked in the ray optics and optical instrument. So in that one, the first very important question is define critical angle, explain the total internal reflection using a neat diagram. And the second 4 marks question is explain the formation of mirage. And third 4 marks question is explain the formation of rainbow. And fourth one, with a neat diagram, explain the formation of image in a simple microscope. And fifth one, this is also related to the simple microscope. So in this one, what is the position of the object of a simple microscope? What is the maximum magnification of a simple microscope for the realistic focal length? So in this 5 question, we will ask 2 4 marks question in the IP examination. And next third chapter is wave optics. So in this chapter it will be how 3 4 marks question. So the first question is explain Doppler effect in light and distinguish between the red shift and blue shift. So what is its importance of Doppler effect? This is the first question. And second 4 marks question, derive the expression for the intensity at a point where interference of light occurs. Arrive at the conditions for maximum and zero intensity. And third 4 marks question is does the principle of conservation of energy hold for interference and diffraction phenomena? Explain briefly. So in this 3 question we will ask a single 4 marks question in the IP examination. And next one, the fourth chapter is electric charges and fields. So in this chapter will be contains 6 4 marks question in IP examination for the academic year 2021. It will be asked 2 4 marks question. So the first question is the state and explain Coulomb's inverse square line in electricity. And second question, define intensity of electric field at a point. Derive an expression for the equation for the intensity due to a point charge. Next third one, derive the equation for the couple acting on electric dipole in a uniform electric field. And fourth one, derive the equation for the intensity of the electric field at the point on the axial line of electric dipole. And fifth one, derive an expression for the intensity of the electric field at a point on the equatorial plane of a electric dipole. Then last one, state Gauss law in electrostats and explain its importance. So this chapter will be contain 6 4 marks question. So in IP examination 2021 for academic year there will be asked 2 4 marks question. And next chapter is also very important one. So that one is the fifth one, electrostatic potential and capacitance. So in this chapter will be contained total is the 7 question. In this 7 question 3 questions only 4 and remaining 3 will be problems. So where we can take the first 4 marks question, derive the expression for the electric potential due to the point charge. This is the first question. And second important question, derive an expression for the capacitance of the parallel plate capacitor. And third one is the series combination of capacitors and derive the formula for equivalent capacitance in series combination. And fourth one, explain the parallel combination of capacitor, derive the formula for the equivalent capacitance in the parallel combination. So in this one, second question, third question, fourth question, these 3 questions are very important questions in the IP examination. And fifth one, next sixth one, and also the 7th one are the problems. And next one, very important chapter, another 8 marks question will be asked in this chapter. This is the current electricity. So in this chapter will be contain total 3 8 marks question. So the first one is the state Kirchhoff laws for electrical network. and using the Kirchhoff laws deduce the condition of the balancing in a Wishart. This is the first question, and second and third question will be related to the working principle of potentiometer and applications of the potentiometer. So in this one, the second question is the state the working principle of potentiometer, explain the help of the circuit diagram, how the EMF of two primary cells are compared by using the potentiometer. And third question is the and same repeated question, and state the working principle of the potentiometer, explain the help of the circuit diagram, how the potentiometer used to determine the internal resistance of a given primary cell. So this chapter will be contain 3 8 marks question, but only one question will be asked in the IP examination. And next one is the seventh one, moving charges and magnetism. So this chapter will be contain total 8 questions, but only one question will be asked in the IP examination 2020-21. So the first question, state and explain Biot-Savart law, very important question. And second one, find the magnetic induction due to a long current carrying conductor. And third one, derive an expression for the magnetic dipole moment of a revolving electron. And fourth one is the problem. And sixth one, derive an expression for the magnetic field at the point axis of the current carrying circular coil by using Biot-Savart law. And sixth one is there is a problem, and seventh one is also problem, and eighth one, state and explain Ampere's law. So this chapter will be contain total 8 4 marks question, but there is a single question asked in the IP examination. And the next chapter will be ninth one, electromagnetic induction. So this chapter will be contain total 4 marks question, and there will be asked 2 questions. Fourth one and fifth one are the 2 problems, repeated problems. And the first question, obtain an expression for the EMF induced across a conductor which is moved in a uniform magnetic field which is perpendicular to the plane of the motion. And second question, describe the ways in which the eddy currents are used to advantage. So this second question is very important question. And third one, obtain an expression for the magnetic energy stored in a solenoid in terms of the magnetic field, area, length of solenoid. And fourth one, fifth one are the repeated question, important problems. And the next question and very important lesson, that will be atom. So this chapter will be contain total important questions will be 5 4 marks question, but in IP examination there will be asked scope will be 2 4 marks question. So the first question is, what are the limitation of Bohr's theory of hydrogen atom? Repeated question, most important question. And second one, explain the different types of spectral series. This is also repeated question. And third one, write a short note on de Broglie explanation of Bohr's second postulate of quantization. And fourth one, derive an expression for the potential energy as well as kinetic energy of electron orbit of hydrogen atom according to the Bohr's atomic model. How does potential energy change with increasing of n? And fifth one, describe the Rutherford atomic model. What are the drawbacks of this model? So in this chapter will be contain total 5 4 marks question. There will be asked 2 4 marks questions in the IP examination, but in the chapter we will discuss the 5 4 marks question. The most important questions are the first one and second one and fifth one. These are the 3 questions are repeated question. And the next one is the nuclei. Again very important question will be asked in this chapter, that will be nuclear reactor. So explain the principle and working of a nuclear reactor with the help of a labeled diagram. So there will be asked only one long question in this chapter. The question will be nuclear reactor. And then last lesson, semiconductor electronics. So this chapter will be contain total 6 4 marks question, but only single question will be asked in the IP examination. So the first question is the describe how a semiconductor diode is used as a half-wave rectifier. And second question, what is rectification? Explain the working of a full wave rectifier. And third question, distinguish between half wave and full wave rectifiers. And fourth one, define NAND and NOR gates, give the truth tables. And fifth one, explain the operation of a NOT gate and give its truth table. And then last one, explain the working of flood. So what are its advantages over conventional incandescent of low power lamp? So in these 6 questions, the first 3 questions half wave rectifier, full wave rectifier, differences between the half wave, full wave. So these three questions are very important question. Okay students, so in our second year physics will be contain total chapters are 16 lessons. In these 60 lessons I will explain only the 4 marks question, important 4 marks questions and 8 marks question. So the 8 marks questions will be asked in the 14th lesson, that will be nuclei, and the question is nuclear reactor. And the second 8 marks question will be asked current electricity. So this chapter will be contain 3 questions. First one Western bridge, second one potentiometer, and third one is also potentiometer. And the next 8 marks question will be asked in the first lesson. The lesson will be waves. So it will be contain 3 questions, 8 marks question, and there will be asked to 8 marks question. So the first question is stationary wave, second question is open pipe, and third one is the closed pipe. So in this video total will be contained most important and repeated 4 marks questions and 8 marks question. Okay students, I will explain the and in next video the total important problems in the our second year physics syllabus. Okay students, thank you.